drinking coffee in the middle of the snow.
Kali ako ni.
Yes. My coffee, my iced coffee, guys. This is the iced coffee. No, diba? Bonggacious ang aking iced coffee. Yes. I'm going to make an iced coffee. Let's see if I know how to make an ice. Guys, in the middle of the snow challenge, coffee, drink coffee in the middle of the snow challenge. Okay? So, ang sarap ng pakiramdam nung nakaupo sa snow. But, it's guys, oh my God, I stopped up.
Wala. Oh, isa. Mabaang.
My coffee will see it how long.
Okay. Guys! Yung kape niya.
Putang ina. Putang ina. Ang tigas na oh.
Natulungan na yung kapis. Ano itong ginagawa? Guys, ay sus, natingdo ang ulo na guys.
Natuli. American size.
Ay, napungli guys, napungli.
Hindi ako sa titi.
Inaayos mo nga yung titi mo eh. Oh. Ito guys, Pilipino to.
Huh?
Siyempre, ano natin yan. Ayos-ayos yan. Yan. Ice curbing challenge. Ice curbing challenge. So, we're going to make the ice curbing challenge. And on the other side, we're going to make a buaya challenge. Did you see the buaya, guys? Is climbing in the Woo! Woo! So, today, I'm in the middle of the snowstorm where everyone is inside the room and I'm outside the house drinking coffee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. When you're in Canada and it's 50 centimeters snow, it's snowstorm and grabe ang snowstorm guys. Look at that. See? So I am drinking coffee. Ay!